Do you ever feel like your English is stuck because you translate in your head before speaking? You hear a question, your brain changes it to your language, you think of the answer in your language, and then you try to translate back into English. It feels slow, stressful, and sometimes the words come out wrong. This is one of the biggest reasons learners feel nervous and speak slowly. In this lesson, you'll discover 10 simple, practical tricks to break this habit and start thinking directly in English. You won't need to spend years studying grammar rules or memorizing huge vocabulary lists. Instead, you'll use real-life strategies that help your brain connect meaning English without your native language in the middle. We'll use slow listening so you can hear every sound clearly, and shadowing practice so you can repeat sentences instantly and build muscle memory. This is how you start speaking without stopping to translate. For each tip I'll give you a simple explanation in friendly English, everyday examples you can actually use, slow pronunciation so you can repeat clearly, a natural speed version so you sound fluent, shadowing prompts to train your brain and mouth, a mini challenge to try today. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do instead of translating in your head, and you'll feel more confident in real conversations. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell so you can train your English every week. Ready? Let's go. Tip 1. Think in pictures, not words. Translating is slow because you're going through 3 steps. 1. See or hear something. 2. Change it into your language. 3. Change it into English. Instead, skip the middle step. Connect English words directly to images or actions. If you see a cat, don't think gato first, think cat right away. Real-life example. You see the sun rising. Instead of "O sol está naciendo," the sun is rising. Just picture it and say, the sun is coming up. You spill coffee. Instead of "derramé café," I spilled coffee. Just think of the action and say, I spilled my coffee. Slow version, the sun is coming up. I spilled my coffee. Normal version, the sun is coming up. I spilled my coffee. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. The sun is coming up. Say it again naturally. The sun is coming up. Repeat with me. I spilled my coffee. Say it again naturally. I spilled my coffee. Pronunciation tip. In coming up, the words connect. Comin' up. In spilled my, the D sound links to my, so it's spilled my. Your challenge. Look around you right now. Pick 5 things you see. Name them in English immediately. No translation allowed. Tip 2. Learn in chunks, not single words. When you learn single words, your brain has to build a sentence from 0 each time. But when you learn chunks, groups of words that often go together, you can speak faster without thinking too much. Real-life example. Instead of learning by plus way separately, learn by the way as one unit. Instead of I don't know, learn I don't know as one sound. Slow version. By the way. I don't know. Normal version. By the way, I don't know. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. By the way. Say it again naturally. By the way. Repeat with me. I don't know. Say it again naturally. I don't know. Pronunciation tip. In I don't know, the T is often silent. It sounds like I don't know. In by the way, the sounds like the because it's fast. Your challenge. Write down 5 chunks you often hear in English shows or conversations. Practice saying them as one sound, not word by word. Tip 3. Use shadowing every day. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately without stopping to think or translate. It's like being an echo. Real-life example. Watch a short English video. When the person says, "What do you think?" you repeat it right away, even if you don't fully understand yet. Slow version. What do you think? Normal version. What do you think? Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. What do you think? Say it again naturally. What do you think? Pronunciation tip. What do you? Becomes what in fast speech. Don't try to pronounce each word perfectly. Copy the rhythm and sound. Your challenge. Shadow 5 minutes of English audio today. Don't pause. Just follow the speaker like an echo. Tip 4. Start small. Short answers first. If you try to speak in long, perfect sentences, you'll freeze. Start with short, confident answers. Real-life example. Someone asks, "How's your day?" Instead of thinking of a long answer, just say, "Good, thanks." If they say, "Do you like it?" just answer, "Yes, I do." Slow version. Good, thanks. Yes, I do. Normal version. Good, thanks. Yes, I do. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. Good, thanks. Say it again naturally. Good, thanks. Repeat with me. Yes, I do. Say it again naturally. Yes, I do. Pronunciation tip. In good thanks, the comma makes a short pause. Keep it light and friendly. Your challenge. For the next 24 hours, answer simple questions in short, direct English without translating. Tip 5. Use English for daily thinking. The more you think in English, the less you translate. Start small. Describe what you're doing in English in your head. Real-life example. When you wake up, I'm brushing my teeth. When cooking, I'm cutting vegetables. Slow version. I am brushing my teeth. I am cutting vegetables. Normal version. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cutting vegetables. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. I'm brushing my teeth. Say it again naturally. I'm brushing my teeth. Repeat with me. I'm cutting vegetables. Say it again naturally. I'm cutting vegetables. Challenge. Narrate 3 daily actions in English today. Tip 6. Copy native speaker rhythm. English has a specific rhythm. Learning it helps your brain skip translation. Real-life example. Listen to how natives say "see you later." The rhythm is quick at the end. Slow version. See you later. Normal version. See you later. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. See you later. Say it again naturally. See you later. Pronunciation tip. You becomes ya in fast speech. Challenge. Pick 3 phrases from movies and copy the exact rhythm. Tip 7. Learn emotional phrases. When phrases have emotion, you remember them faster. Real-life example. That's amazing. Oh no. I love it. Slow version. That's amazing. Oh no. I love it. Normal version. That's amazing. Oh no. I love it. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. That's amazing. Say it again naturally. That's amazing. Challenge. Use 3 emotional phrases in your conversations this week. Tip 8. Stop overthinking grammar. Focus on communication, not perfect grammar. Real-life example. If you want to say, yesterday I go to the park instead of yesterday I went to the park, it's fine. People still understand. Slow version. Yesterday I went to the park. Normal version. Yesterday I went to the park. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. Yesterday I went to the park. Say it again naturally. Yesterday I went to the park. Challenge. Speak for 2 minutes without worrying about grammar. Tip 9. Practice in safe spaces. Find a language partner or online group where mistakes are okay. Real-life example. Practice in an English club or online meeting. Slow version. Let's practice together. Normal version. Let's practice together. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. Let's practice together. Say it again naturally. Let's practice together. Challenge. Have a 5-minute talk with a friend in English today. Tip 10. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Repetition is the key to automatic speaking. Real-life example. Say, how are you? 20 times today naturally. Slow version. How are you? Normal version. How are you? Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. How are you? Say it again naturally. How are you? Challenge. Repeat one phrase 20 times today until it feels automatic. Conclusion. Translating in your head is normal at first, but it's not where you want to stay. The faster you connect meaning English, the faster you'll speak and the more confident you'll feel. Today you learned 10 simple, powerful tips. Thinking in pictures, learning in chunks, shadowing, using short answers, thinking in English daily, copying rhythm, using emotional phrases, ignoring perfect grammar, practicing in safe spaces, and repeating often. Your next step is to choose 2 of these tips and use them today. Don't wait until you feel ready. The magic happens when you practice in real life. If you found this lesson useful, subscribe, like, and comment below. I will stop translating. I'll reply to encourage you. See you in the next lesson.